This is question 2 from the 2012 Level 1 Physics exam. This was requested by one of you, and so I'll go over the answers to this section of question 2. And so what we're given is that a car mechanic uses a rechargeable torch which contains 5 identical 12-volt light bulbs. The bulbs are connected to a 12-volt battery as shown in the diagram below. State the name that describes the arrangement of bulbs in the circuit shown above. Well, we can see that these 5 light bulbs are connected in parallel, so I think that's what it's looking for here. Explain why bulbs connected in this way will be bright. Alright, well the first part of this answer is going to require you to understand that each bulb here will get the full voltage. So we can say that in a parallel circuit, all branches get the full voltage. And then we can say that with a larger voltage, more current will flow in each branch. And then we can say that power is equal to IV. Both I and V have increased so P increases, and therefore bulbs are bright. Let's just fix that up. Bulbs are bright. Okay, it should be noted here that whenever they're asking you to explain why something is bright in a circuit, why a bulb is bright in a circuit, the brightness of a bulb depends on the power output of the bulb, or how much energy is converted to light per second. So whenever you have to get to where you're stating that the power is increased if you want to explain why something is bright. Okay, next question. The current through each bulb is 0.3 amps. By calculating the current through the battery, calculate the total resistance of the circuit. Okay, so we're told that each one of these branches has 0.3 amps of current. In order for that much current to be flowing there, we must have 5 times 0.3 amps flowing out of the battery and into this parallel bit to split up. And so the total current, or current through the battery, so battery current is 5 times 0.3, which is 1.5 amps. So resistance of circuit must be R is equal to V over I. That's just Ohm's law rearranged, which is equal to 12 over 1.5. And so the resistance is 12 over 1.5, which is 8 ohms. Finally, the voltage across each bulb is 12 volts and the current through each is 0.3 amps. What's the total power output? Well, the total power output is going to be the sum of the power outputs of each bulb. So that's one way to approach this, and it's probably the most straightforward one. So power of one bulb is equal to I times V, which is 12 times 0.3, which is 3.6 watts. So power total is equal to 5 times 3.6 watts, which is 18 watts.